Yes, children, our next topic is multiplication. So, what is multiplication? So about multiplication we discuss in previous classes. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Repeated addition is a multiplication. So, then we discuss, and also we discuss about the properties and how to multiply. All these things we learn previous classes. So, in this class again we recapitulate and we forward. Okay, we do other multiplication sums, means 3 digit, 2 digit multiplication we are going to do in this multiplication. Okay. So, in this what we are going to learn in this chapter? See here, first properties of multiplication. So, what are the multiplication properties? How many properties are there? So, that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Now, what we are going to discuss? Multiplication by 3 digit number. So, if 3 digit number is given, then how to multiply? How to multiply, that we are going to discuss in this chapter. In previous class we discussed about how to multiply with 2 digit number, how to multiply with a single digit number. So, that we learned. So, and also what we learn? So, we by hearted all tables from 1 to 20 tables. 1 to 20 tables, all you know, 1 to 20 tables. Okay. These things we discuss in previous classes, and in this class what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about the properties of multiplication, and also we are going to discuss about multiplication by 3 digit number. 3 digit number multiplication we are going to discuss. Now, before going to start our chapter, we recapitulate what we did in previous classes. What we did? So, in multiplication, for multiplication division, you should know tables from 1 to 20 tables. You should be perfect in 1 to 20 tables. So, it is most very important, so that you should know the tables. So, that is why you should by heart 20 tables. So, with perfection. Okay, with perfection. So, we need 20 tables at least. So, you should know 20 tables. So, first recapitulation, review exercise. What is given in review exercise? See here, multiply the inner numbers together to get the outer number. Here 1, 2, 3 circles are given. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 circles are given. In first circle, in first question, in first circle 2 is there, in inner circle. In outer circle, second circle, so some numerals are given, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7, 3. These numerals are given. So, we have to find the value of this outer number we have to find. How to find? So, multiply. So, the clue is given, multiply the inner numbers. Inner numbers we have to multiply. How to multiply inner numbers? See here, 2 4s are, you know, 2 table. 2 4s are how much? 2 4s are 8. We have to write here. We have to multiply inner numbers 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. That we have to write. So, that is our outer number. In the same way, 2 8s are 16. Here 16 is our outer number. Next, 2 5s are 10. 10 is our outer number. Next, 2 6s are 12. 12 is our outer number. Next, 2 7s are 14. 14 is our outer number. 2 3s are 6. 6 is our outer number. So, then if we multiply inner numbers, so like 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are. Then what are our outer numbers? Our outer numbers 18, 8, 16, 10, 12, 14, 6. So, in this way we have to multiply and we have to write our outer numbers. We have to multiply inner numbers and the product we have to write outer as outer number. Okay. So, this is based on our 2 table. If you know 2 table, then you can do this one. So, then here 3 table. So, we have to multiply with 3, all these numbers we have to multiply with 3 and we have to write the product outer number, that is as our outer number. Now, multiply 3 with 8, okay. 3 8s are 24, this is our outer number. Next, 3 3s are 9, this is our outer number. 3 5s are 15, this is our outer number. 3 9s are 27, this is our outer number. 3 2s are 6, this is our outer number. 3 4s are 12. So, all these numbers we are multiplying with 3, it means 3 table. So, you should know 3 table. In first, you should know 2 table, in second 3 table. This is our question number 2. In question number 3, 4 is given in inner, it means 4 table. So, we have to multiply with 4, it means we should know 4 table, we should know that 4 table. Then multiply with 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is our outer number. 4 6s are 24 is our outer number. Next, 4 1s are 4, 4 is our outer number. 4 8s are 24 is our outer number. 4 4s are 16, 16 is our outer number. 4 5s are 20 is our outer number. So, in this way we have to write our outer numbers, okay. Now, so this is 2 table, this is 3 table, this is 4 table. The next question 5 is there inside, it means you should know 5 table. So, we have to multiply with 5, the given inner numbers. Then 5 2s are 10, outer number. 5 8s are 40, outer number. 5 3s are 15, 15 outer number. 5 10s are 50, outer number. 5 6s are 30, 5 6s are 30 is your outer number. Then after that 5 9s are 45, this is your outer. All these numbers are your outer numbers. How we will get? So, if we multiply with inner numbers, then we will get outer numbers. Then 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. Next, 6 table, multiply with 6. 6 3s are 18 is our outer number. Next, 6 10s are 60 is our outer number. 6 7s are 42 is our outer number. 6 2s are 12 is our outer number. 6 6s are 36 is our outer number. 6 8s are 48 is our outer number. So, this is our 6 table. Then next question number 6, 7 table. So, 7 is given, we have to multiply the given, so the numbers with 7. So, we have to multiply inner numbers, then we will get outer numbers. 7 9s are 63, then 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So, in this way we have to multiply with the given inner numbers, and so we have to find outer numbers, okay. So, in all these circles some tables are given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 7 table. So, it means you should be perfect in your tables, okay. If you know the table, then So, it is very easy to multiply and write your answer outer numbers. Okay. Next 3 sums, here 7 is given. So, 8, 9 and 10 tables were given. So, with that numbers you have to multiply inner number and find outer numbers. Okay. That 3 similar questions, that is your home assignment. Okay. Yes, now students, now we are going to discuss about the properties of multiplication. What are the properties of multiplication? Listen carefully. First property, unit property. We called it as unit property. So, what is a unit property? Here, if any number is multiplied with 1, then the product is the number itself only, the number itself only. So, it is called a unit property. So, what? 3 into 1, here 3 is multiplied by 1, then what is our product? 3 is our product. So, it means if any number is multiplied by 1, then we will get the same number only. So, like one more number, if 346 is there, 346 ones are 346, it means if any number is multiplied by 1, then we will get the number itself, the number itself. So, it is called unit property. This is the first property. Remember this one. If any number is multiplied by 1, then we will get the number itself, the number itself only as a product. As a product, we will get the number itself. The second, this is a unit property. Okay. The second, if any number is multiplied with 0, if any number is multiplied with 0, then we will get 0 as a product, 0 as a product. So, example, 3 into 0 is equal to 0, this is called 0 property, 0 property. This is called unit property, this is 0 property. So, like if any number means, suppose for example 3, if 3 is multiplied with 0, then answer is 0. Like 346, if this number is multiplied with 0, then what is the product? The product is 0. Okay. Unit, and this is the difference between unit and 0 property. If unit property means if any number is multiplied with 1, then our product is the number itself. In 0 property, if any number is multiplied with 0, then what is our product? The product is 0. So, that is why it is called 0 property. It is called 0 property. The next, third one, order property. If order of the multiplicand will change, then the product will never change. Order property, ordering property. So, here 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, then 4 3s are 12, 12 and 12, in both the cases our product is 12 only. In first case, what is the order? 3 into 4, in second case, what is the order? 4 into 3, here we change here order. In first case 3 into 4 is there, and in second case 4 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, whatever it is, the product is same, the product is same. It means if order will change, then the product never change. This property is called ordering property, or otherwise it is also called commutative property. It is also called commutative property. Okay. Now, here this fourth one, grouping property, group property, or otherwise we can call it as associative property. This is also called commutative. This one first, this third one is called commutative property. This is called 0 property. This is unit property. Okay. Then this is associative. This is associative or grouping property. So, see here, what are the multiplicands here? See, 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 2 3 4 multiplicands are there. Here 3 and 4 in one group means last two multiplicands in one bracket, and here first two are in one bracket. Then how to multiply? First we have to take 2 into as it is 3 4s we have to multiply 3 4s 12 we have to write 12 is equal to next here we have to multiply 2 with 3 2 3s 6 into this 4 as it is this 4 as it is. Now 12 2s are 12 table we know 2 12s are 12 2s are anyhow same only. Why? Before only we discuss here ordering property means order of the multiplicand will change, then product will never change. So 2 12s are 12 2s are the same answer only. So 12 2s are 24, 6 4s are 24. In both the cases answer is same, answer is same. So that is why associative property, this is called associative property. This is commutative, this property is called group property, grouping property. So why it is called here in these three multiplicands, first two last two, so we were taken in one group. So in the first two we are taken in one group and we have to multiply this last two and that answer is 12, the product is 12 and 2 as it is 2 12s are 24. The final answer is 24 here. Here first we multiply first 2 multiplicands, then 2 3s are 6, then this 4 as it is into 4, then after that 6 4s are 24, then LHS is equal to RHS. So this type of property called associative property or group property. This is order property, this is zero property, this is unit property. Next one, distributive property in multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication, what it is? So here suppose if I take 2 into 3 plus 4 in multiplication, see here addition. If 2 or more addends were there with multiplication along with the multiplication, then what here condition? 2 or more addends were there. So with a multiplicand means any one multiplier is there, then how to take? Here 2 is multiplied with 3 and after that we have to keep this plus sign. Then after that we have to multiply again 2 with 4, 2 with 4. Now you check your answer. 2 into same, 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 3 plus 4, 7 is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 is equal to 6 plus 8, 14. 14 is equal to 14. This property is called distributive property of multiplication. So what is the combination here? Into and plus combination is there. Into and plus combination, multiplication and addition combination. So how many addends we have to take here? If 2 or more addends were there, the 2 or more addends we are going to multiply Savita with one multiplier, then the product of the individual of the addends sum is equal to the sum of the addends with the multiplier So this is the distributive property. This is the distributive property. So how many properties total? 5 properties in multiplication. One is unit property. If any number is multiplied with 0, then any number is multiplied with 1, then the product is the number itself. The second property, zero property. If any number is multiplied with 0, the product is 0. Then third order property. So if order of the multiplicand numbers, if order of the numbers will change, then product never change. Like order of the numbers 3 into 4, 4 into 3, the product never change. Then fourth, it is also called commutative property. Next, the fourth group property. Here 3 multipliers are there, 3 multiplicands 1 2 3 1 2 3. So last 2 multiplicands we take one group. So here for starting 2 multiplicands we are taking in one group. So after that, So we simplify, then we will get the same answer, LHS is equal to RHS. This property is called associative property and group property also, grouping property also. Next, fifth property, distributive property. Distributive property means the two or more addends were there. So suppose two or more addends, so that two or more addends are multiplied by one multiplier. So then, so the multiplier individually, if we multiply the addends with that multiplier and add the sum of all that, so that is equal to the addend sum with the multiplier This is called distributive property. For example, 2 is a multiplier here and addends 3 plus 4. Then if 2 is multiplied with first addend plus, if 2 is multiplied with second addend, then find, simplify, 2 plus addend sum 7 is equal to product of the multiplier with first addend, product of the multiplier with second addend, then add both and multiply here, then you will get same answer. This type of property is called distributive property in multiplication. These 5 properties in multiplication you should remember, okay.